is Demolition King. This fun, new interactive ticket redemption game sees players swing a wrecking ball at the screen to destroy disused buildings for collecting points. It features a captivating cabinet design that looks like a demolished building itself and will stand out in any location, ideal for family entertainment. Now, let me show you how to play this Demolition King. First, we insert coins, and then the kids can stand in front of it, and the parents can stand at the back of the footprint. Now we choose one player mode, a two-player mode.
Two players. One player.
Now there were four buildings to choose from: England Store, Western House, Tower, and Apartment. There will be a quick tutorial for player to fully understand how to play this game.
Swing and hit.
Now here we start.
Three, two, one. Game start.
Try to destroy the whole building. Hit anything on and around the building. Balloons, fireworks, fuel tanks, and tickets also. All the scores will be redeemed for tickets. Now the screen will scroll that up, and we try to pick up the anything. There will be a golden tickets hidden in the furniture. Now
Congratulations.
here comes the treasure box at the end.